everyone. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add vellum to your model made of Bristol strips. But first, I want to make sure that a person represented by a scale human figure can go through. Here I have two scaled human figures, one made by me and the other bought online. And I will do a simple test. I will start with the lower end, and this one is working pretty well. This one is slightly higher, and if that's the case, like, you may have to adjust this part of the model. But even this one, it's working well. So I will move on. So let's assume that this is the model that you have built and that you are developing the concept of light transition, and that you want to make sure that the transition takes a person from a darker, lower and more enclosed areas to areas that are more open. I have prepared a few triangular shapes made of vellum, and I will test them here. I really want to test this first before I glue anything, because it looks like I may have to adjust my vellum a little and cut it right there, and I can mark that with a pencil. I can also use tape just to temporarily hold the vellum down so I have a better control of the model. And again, here it looks like I may have to do some adjustments. But before I do that, and since I'm working with light, I'm going to use a flashlight to test the light quality. I was considering adding additional cutouts, but I like the simplicity of this. I like the play of light and shadow. So I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I will glue the sheets of vellum. Now I will show you how to glue the sheets of vellum to the Bristol strips. I had to take my model apart to make sure that I can keep all elements perfectly flat. And here I have a sheet of vellum that I will glue the Bristol to. I will pour some glue onto a scrap of paper. I really don't want to squeeze the glue directly from the bottle because I have a less control of how much glue is out. So I will use an old brush, and I will apply the glue to the edges. So this is the field that will get the vellum. I will place my Bristol strips glue side down, and I will use my Bristol pad to hold it down until the glue is dry. It takes just a few minutes. Once the glue is dry, I can start cutting the vellum along the edges. I will take my knife, I will hold it down, and I I will cut it right at the edge. And I have nice clean edge now. And when I'm done, this will look right like this. Once I apply vellum to all my elements, I can start putting the model back together. And at first, I will use the tape to hold the model down. And actually, I will use the tape to add my connectors. Because I want to make sure that everything works well before I use the glue. Gonna add one more. And when you have all your elements together, you can start using the glue. Enjoy your model making exercise. Bye.